Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, there is a clear U pattern is forming if you trend from this particular level, and then we have seen an upside. So you have to understand, as soon as the price started going towards $62.5, we can see there can be a further downfall, and chances are high it can move below a level of 61.5, and if the price falling below that level, we can see it can touch a level of $59.5. Okay, and if started falling below this level, a further fall can be seen towards 56.8 and then a further low. Okay, now understand that there is a probability that if the price sustaining above this level and goes above a level of around $65.5, then we can see that a trend towards this range will break upside, because see, this is the trend forming. So if it started going above $65, we can see this trend will break upside, so we can see the trend can move further high. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now let's see the price of crude depends on a lot of factors. One of the factor is dollar index. I'll show you a dollar index chart also, because see, dollar index and crude are inversely related to each other. So dollar index rises, we see the crude price goes down. When dollar index moves down, we see the crude price goes up. Okay, first thing and important things that you have to understand if you are trading, okay, that whenever you start a trade, put your SL, so capital will be safe. Okay, and once you in profit, try to trail it. If you are trailing your SL, then profit will be safe. These two things you have to do. Okay, so if you look at the chart of dollar index, what we have seen, a clear U pattern is being formed, and similar to crude what we have seen. Okay, so chances are high that if the price of dollar index started going below a level of 97.4, a further downfall can be seen, and from there a level of 97, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 96.3, and 96.3 is a crucial level, so the price can move further low, and then it can move towards a level of $95.3, and then a further low can be seen. But if it started sustaining above this level, it can touch a level of 98.7, and from there a level of $99.3. Okay, then the price can rise above that particular level, and from there it can touch a level of 100.2, and if the price moving above this level, probability of going towards 101.9, and then a further upside can be seen. Okay, so if the price sustains above 101.9, a probability of touching a level of 103.7 we can see, and then a further upside can be seen. Coming back again on the crude price, what we can see, as I've already told you that the price are inversely related to crude, the dollar index prices. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain, because what we have seen particular week, it is trying to go upside. So if the price sustain above this level, it can touch a level of $64.4, and if the price moving over this level, probability of touching 65.17 is there. Okay, and if the price going above that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards 66.7. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching $68.8 is there. Okay, so once the price sustain above 66.7 to a level of 68.8, and if the price going above that particular level, chance of touching $69.9 we can see, and from there a further high towards 70.6 can be seen. Okay, and if the price going above this level, a further upside can be seen, because we have not seen a sharp movement compared to this particular. If you look at these two candles, this is where we have seen a very sharp movement for a week. Okay, because now the price is trading in this zone, so you have to understand that as soon as the price started going up 65 point, then we can see a further upside. So it can touch a level of 66.78 to a level of 67.83, and then to a level of 68.8, and then to a level of 69.6. As soon as the price sustains above that level, it can touch a level of 70.6, and then we can see a further upside. But suppose if the price started falling below this level, what we can see, suppose if it started falling below this level, it can touch a level of $62.9, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards $62. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall can be seen towards 61.4. Then this is the trend, so probability is high it can move further down, and yes, after that the probability of going towards 60.15, which is already a weak support, so we can see the price can move further low, and yes, after that we can see it can move towards a level of 59.9 to a level of around 59.7, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall can be seen towards next level, that is 56.5, and then a further low can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.